Borade, and I am going to explain the topic principle and block diagram of digital multimeter. First of all, what is digital multimeter? A device which is capable of measuring AC and DC voltages, AC and DC currents and resistances over several ranges is called as digital multimeter. Digital multimeter is also called as DMM in short. This is a block diagram of digital multimeter. This shows us how the digital multimeter actually works. If we connect an unknown resistor across its input probes, keep rotary switch in position 1, the proportional current flows through the resistor from constant source. According to the Ohm's law, voltage is produced across it. The voltage is directly proportional to its resistances. This voltage is buffered and fed to AD converter to get display in ohms. If we connect an AC voltage across the input probes, when we keep the rotary switch on position 2nd, the voltage is attenuated. If it is above the selected range and then rectified to convert it into proportional DC voltage, it is then fed to AD converter to get the digital display in volts. Current is indirectly measured by converting it into proportional voltages. If we connect an unknown AC current across its input probes, when we keep the rotary switch on position 3, the current is converted into voltages and proportional with the help of IV converter, and then rectified. Now the voltage in terms of AC currents is fed to AD converter to get digital display in amperes. The DC current is also measured indirectly. If we connect an unknown DC current across input probes, when we keep rotary switch on position 4, the current is converted into voltage with the help of current to voltage converter, and it is directly proportional with the help of IV converter. Now the voltage in terms of DC current is fed to AD converter to get the digital display in amperes. When we connect an unknown DC voltage across input probes, when we keep the rotary switch on position 5, the voltage is attenuated if it is above the selected range and then directly fed to AD converter to get the digital display in volts. Let me see advantages and disadvantages of digital multimeter. The advantages of digital multimeter are: it has very high accuracy. Second, it has very high input impedance, which ensures less loading effect on the input. Third, the numerical display of digital multimeters provides zero parallax error. Third, disadvantages of digital multimeter are: it does not do well with measurement fluctuations. It is more expensive than the analog type. It can be difficult to find for your specific needs. Thank you.